Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to defend as goalkeeper. Firstly, take a look at the right side of the screen. Right there you can find overlay. From this overlay you can learn basic goalkeeper movements. To dive, press push right analog. You can use it to dive upwards, downwards, left and right. To rush, press triangle. To grab a ball, press square. And to punch ball, press circle. You can also press L1 for auto position. And that's basically it. If learned, goalkeeping can be very satisfying. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.